Hello, boys and girls. What are we talking about this week? We are talking about United States of America, right? So, when we are talking about United States of America, the weather is being nice. I'm thinking of one drink we usually drink during summertime. So, what do you think that is? You probably can tell already, right? Lemonade. So we will make strawberry lemonade today. I already washed my hands and washed lemon and everything. You know, one thing I forgot before I cut the lemon, kind of have the rolled lemon so it can loosen up inside. But it's too late. But it's a half cut already. So let's see. That's what Mr. Dan told me. I didn't know that. See, we learn from each other, right? Smells good. You can make lemonade at home with mommy or daddy or grandma or grandpa, whoever's home with you. I didn't know making lemonade is this easy. Look at this. Look at this lemon. I mean, not water. Lemon juice. And I'll cut strawberries. Very thin slice. This knife is sharp, so you have to be careful. So I think I'm going to cut this in half. I also wanted to show you how you can slice strawberry with this egg slicer. I think cutting with knife was easier. So let's put some water. $16.9, almost 17 ounce water. It's about 33.8 ounce water here. I bet this is your favorite part. Can somebody read this to me? Sugar, right? I don't like to have too much sugar, but if you just drink lemonade like this, it's going to be sour, very sour. So we want to put some sugar in, right? It's another half cup. This 1 cup or 1/3. Yeah. Lots of sugar. Stir this. Okay, let me taste it. Little bit sour, but it's okay for me. But you might want to put a little bit more sugar. So a little bit sour, but it's a tasty, yummy. This is how you make a lemonade, strawberry lemonade. Thank you.